That is it. What hot? Cover hot. Look at that. Rich. Mmm. Smell that. Food lovers, this is it.
Wow. Wow.
Come and enjoy with the Smith World TV.
Alright, check in people, we're back again with another epic video. So today is a Saturday evening and we plan to cook something mouth watering and delicious. So right now we have we pit what we are gonna fire up and we are gonna put on with soup on it. So I'm gonna make Mummy Kim tell you a little bit more about what we are gonna do with.
Alright people, blessings and love to you all. Happy Saturday to you. Alright guys, so today on our menu we'll be cooking some delicious soup, which is gungo. Consists of gungo, pigtail, chicken foot, and we have couple chicken neck. Alright, so we are going to light up with the fireside, and get the pot bubbling. Alright people, again I want to say thank you guys for subscribing to the Smith's World. We have a lot of video out here. Please watch them out to the end. Alright guys, and if you want to see us do anything, any challenges or anything, you can just let us know. Comment in the comment section what you would like to see us cook and all of that. So yeah man, we're gonna have fun out here again. We are in nature, as you can see. This is our camp, our lovely camp. You soon see we do some camping as well here people. So just stick and stay and see how we get things done out here. And comment in the comment section who love a big pot of soup on a Saturday. So people who now get to see the camp in a daylight. Alright, so stick and stay with the Smith's World TV. I'm out.
Alright, check-in peeps. So right now I'm going to catch up the fireside. We have the grill over there that we're gonna use to pressure the peas. So we have some firewood stacked away. I'm gonna get some of the firewood, transfer it over there, and catch up the fire. So yeah, come along with me. So that these make sure cut up in firewood, as you know, we use it at night when the night is chilly, keeps us warm. Put it in the fire pit, and yeah, we have some bram down there. I'm gonna use some of that as well. So come along with me. So yeah guys, again, for all the new subscribers, thank you so much for coming over. We appreciate it. We appreciate the love and the support. You know, we're a small YouTube family and we're just getting things started. So yeah, stick and stay with us. We have a lot of videos on the channel already. You can go ahead and check them out. You can binge watch them. We have a playlist as well. You can check out the playlist, leave it playing on the TV, whatever you want to do. Just continue showing us some love. And yeah, we're gonna always put out the great content for you guys to watch. So yeah, stick and stay with us. So I'm gonna get the bram now. So come again with me. I think these are some sawdust. Yeah. Just grab a handful. About this. Yeah. So I'm gonna drop this in the fire. You guys have lighter, matches, anything? Okay. All right. So yeah, stick and stay. Soon come back. Hi guys. This is what, diesel? Something of the sort, I think. Just stir it. Put it back, put it far away from the fire. You don't want to catch a fire out here. Alright, so
I wouldn't want to do that.
you know what I said that? Well, use that napkin. Alright. There we go. Guys, I first may catch up fire, it's not so. Fireside. So let's see if I can do it. Guys, where there is smoke, there is fire. Look at my fire pit. I think it's a catching now. I think it's catching. Yeah, there is fire in it. In it. Yeah, that's how you do it, people. That's how you do it. So, on to the next.
All right, people. Come we go look some things to boil the soup. Come on, guys. All right. Soup want some scallion. Some scallion here. What else me soup want? Soup want pumpkin. This me expect out of me things, you know, guys. All right, come again. Want some pigtail.
You know, yellow grow pigtail, but yeah.
Hey. All right. Let's get some food. Ground food now. All right. Come along with me, guys. In our farm. So, one piece of dasheen. So, we get some dasheen, yeah. Want some Irish. Some Irish here. All right, people. So, we'll go make a pot bubble. All right. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Pot needs some pepper. So, we'll get some pepper. We'll look forward to the farm, give with this, or we can give with this. So, picking some pepper. This is a pepper tree, you know, people. All right. Stick and stay with the Smiths World. We have a lot to go now. All right, people. So we get the pumpkin, with pigtail, with scallion, with pepper, with dasheen, with Irish. What else? So these are the rest of stuff that we're gonna put in our soup. This is our gungo peas. All right. We have some carrot here, pimento. What is called again? Garlic, piece of ginger. Guys, try the ginger in your soup. You won't regret it. All right, we have some okra also, and sweet potato, and we have one cocoa. Yes, and our chicken there, chicken foot and chicken neck, with pumpkin soup mix, with butter there so, with flour and with cornmeal. All right, and with seasoning that we're gonna use. So here I have my garlic powder, all purpose, and our complete seasoning, and our butter. So that is what we're going to use to prepare our Saturday soup. All right, guys. So this one I go mad. Stick and stay. All right, guys. So we're gonna wash with gungo and set it on. Them gungo here, guys, was in the freezer. I didn't want them to spoil, so I put them in the freezer. Yeah, because I know that I wouldn't use it right away. So just gonna get them rinsed off and then put it on the fire. All right. We should even throw this in, because guess what? Gungo tree I go bear this grow this up. Woo. Me know them I go catching up people. The gungo tree? Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna throw some water into this and then we put it on the fire. Now go take long for cook because a green gungo, but we don't want to sit down too long and wait for the soup because everybody hungry. So come guys, we're gonna put it on the fire. Oh, guess what? I forgot oil my pot because it's too hot to scour. Alright. Cooking oil people. It's too hard for
Yeah, some people I think they use mud, no sir?
yeah, I same ashes.
Ashes.
You can turn it around, Ricky. Alright.
Good.
I think that is it.
One of the major one, black.
Alright, put it on there. Now your foot.
Alright, peeps.
Let's see if
Yeah,
I
man.
get it back over.
Good. That is it.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, peeps. It's a beautiful Saturday evening. So welcome to the Smith World TV, where you get love, adventure, everything. It's a full package. So I'm about to get the fireside over here. So started. So this is where Kim go boil the soup. Alright guys, so we have a little invention here where me know not gonna like it. You understand? Well, I am like Noah. Get the inspiration and me just build a ark. That's how the Smith them work, you know. So check in peeps. Alright, let me alright, Bram Bram. Let me get the Bram Bram over here, guys. Gabby catch that fire there, you know. So yeah, make Gabby mash me up in the evening, yeah. And it a blaze. And you know me out here and me are the fireman. Alright? Just like Capleton. Alright, let's go guys. Check it out. Brittany, you good?
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, we are gonna drink up some nice soup this evening. Alright guys. That is it, you know. We always hope for good things, you know. And for certain, spending time with the family, it's the greatest, man. Trust me. And yeah, man, put God in everything we do, you know, and left out God, you know. Yeah, man, make God lead, you know, guide, you know. You understand? So that is it. All right. All right. That is it. So see me put it on express, people. We don't have no time for wait, and we're hungry out here. Yeah, man. So, Gabby, I'm gonna send them, make them look for fishing rod up there, so. Right there, so. Right side of the little stream, little pond that I made. So we have some fishing vlog coming up. There is a stream very close. We have to just walk through the bushes, go down a hill, and we'll find a little spot there. So stay tuned for that. All right. And this is another invention here, guys. Check it out. When I explain nothing about it, you have to just come over here, check out the video them, stick and stay. Because you don't know, you know, as me say, love over your so phone and adventure. You can buy one popcorn or make one popcorn, buy one ice cream, and just log on to Smith World TV. Yeah, man. Big up everybody, the new subscriber. Everybody, we love you. And don't leave, you know. Tell on a friend, tell on a family, come over here. So introduce you guys to Sky and Lime. Bella gonna do that part there. Alright, Gabby. Put a little bit part. Express. Everything out here is express, guys. What we call this? Express service. I know a little more fire. Well, you know, hey, you taunted. You use your mouth and blow your drop down. Super express. Who can talk to you out here? Technology increase. AI.
Technology.
Oh, Ricardo would I love this, you know. Ricardo would I love this, man.
See that, guys? Almost boil up. Yeah, man, people. So first, we're not gonna see out here in the daytime. So welcome to you all again. This is our little camp. All right. So flowers and soon ketchup and everything. So you're gonna see the real beauty.
And the fruit trees.
And the fruit trees also, because I've been planting a lot. Yeah, me and Ricky and the girls, we have been planting a lot. All right.
Speaking of, I'm gonna show you what I planted over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give them a tour. Bella want to introduce you to our new members of our family.
Yeah.
Yeah, Smith also, you know. We have Sky Smith and Lime Smith.
Come introduce your birds. Them.
Yeah, come tell the people them about your birds. Give them names.
Tell them the birds' name.
Tell them about your birds.
Hello.
What you like about them?
They're so fluffy. Every time when I night them, so they're so fluffy, and every time when I night them, I always pet them, and they always stay together. So only night time they will get pet, and the green one and the black is lime, and the blue, white is sky. Yeah.
They're hiding, guys.
Yeah, because they're kind of shy. They get some toys right here. This is a toy. And there's a swinger and a ladder. They always bite off this. So this is scallion lime. If they want to play, they could just hide in here. Okay.
Guys, so right here, I planted some pak choy and cucumber. And it was just a few days ago and it's kitchen already. So by the time they get big, I probably have to move them around. Because I don't know if I planted them too close or whatever, but we'll see. So yeah, just a few days ago I planted them. So yeah, hopefully them flourish. We have pak choy to eat and cucumber to eat. Alright guys, stick and stay.
Alright, my beautiful people. So as I said earlier on, I have a new invention, new fireside, new settings, right? Tag along with it. Here we go. So we have a pot here, so now we're going to boil with soup. So check out the fireside. You see that? How it go work? Simple. Look now. Check it out. Gabby? Roll. So this is new for me. I don't know for you guys. Possible. It is. Alright. So watch me out now. Good. Straight bamboo settings. Yeah man, unique. I'll do something like this now. Like that. Good to go. Make sure it's firm. You understand? It's a possibility. We'll turn it the other way, but I just want to see what go on here. So see it here now, guys. So we have number 1 level this up, or 2. The fire start rage too much. So check it out, you know. So you know, say everything that we do it, and we not expect failure. Tell me if you don't love it. You understand? It's all about to keep you guys captivated and entertained. So I hope you love it, you know. Give it some thumbs up. So if the fire get too wicked, we have level 2 here, so ease off the pressure off our pot. See that now, guys? Come take off your pot cover. Listen there. Listen that.
In there yet?
I'm not needed. You get me? So this is just, I'm going to show you when the water going in and everything will boil up. So I'm going to wash out my pot, guys. Alright? Stay tuned. Alright, mommy king. Catch that, yeah, baby. I'm going to wash out my pot. Let me see what I go on. Hold on. And you know, so for certain, I'm going to wash my hand Alright. Hands have to clean. Brittany, do the honors. Take off the pot. Oh no, say daddy blessed with talent, you know, have to bless too, you know. See how you're going to do it now.
Just like
Amazing. Good. Look at it, guys. Wonderful. Ain't it?
In it. Wonderful, in it.
Look at that. So you realize, say, me just barely put it on the fire. It's not gonna take a long time. That is it. So get me some water, my daughter.
Right. Get the water.
You know, mommy Kim love this, you know. Proper. Boy, a whole heap of soup this.
Take a lot of water.
Right. How did I ask if, who was asking if he can hold the amount of water? Brittany?
Yeah,
Are
we're
you
asking
Alright. So check it out, Brittany.
if it will withstand the pressure of the water.
Let's see. Wow. Mommy Kim, you know how much water you want now this, you know? Come on, soup all for tomorrow. That is it.
Turn, guys. Grandma Elaine. Woo-hoo. Alright, look here, guys. Pressure cooker pot with the gungo peas. Yep. This is how you get it done. I think it kind of full up too much now, guys, but you know, it's still a pressure, nevertheless. So, yep. Stick and stay, people. We have a lot more in store.
Brittany, don't have a prep, man. No, that's me.
Alright, people. So, I have the carrot here, so, and the potato that is going to go into the soup. So, I just go scrape the carrot, peel the potato, wash it off, and cut it up. Alright. Don't mind the mess, guys. I'll clean it up afterwards. Alrighty.
Alright, guys, here we have Grandma Elaine back on the channel again. So, she cut up the pumpkin, peel off what the skin, and then she cut it up fine. And that's to go in the soup. So we have what, yam, dasheen, and sweet potato. We have ginger, garlic, pimento, scallion, okra, pepper, and of course the cock soup. So you guys, watch your Grandma Elaine do it. You know she's famous for this, guys. Every Saturday, every single Saturday, Grandma Elaine cooks soup.
Yeah, I tell you.
She is a lover of Saturday soup.
Chicken box soup.
Every kind of
Every kind
soup. And guys, when she cook it, you know, she have some leftover for all days and she drink it, you know. I don't know how she do it, but she do it though. She loves soup. Comment in the comment section if you love Saturday day soup. Let us know. And our soup tastes good too. Yeah.
Cook soup on Saturday. Have it Sunday, Monday,
Yeah.
Tuesday, Wednesday, and
Yeah.
Thursday.
All right.
Yeah?
Hear that,
Nice
people?
soup. Understand?
Yeah.
One love.
I've little Isabel out here. She has a swing. Yeah. So this is to pass her time.
Yeah.
Keep her occupied.
Yeah, man, it's a pure trouble. Come. Daddy help you.
You know, long shot on my cabby. Come with me in the swing. Alright,
Yeah.
see you get a shine
Say
here.
hello to the guys.
Hi guys.
Right. Good.
You alright now?
No?
Satisfied?
Good.
Long time she and me as people. Gabby, video me on the swing. Alright. Wee.
Alright people, so we get to meet them clean up and ting. Alright. So chicken foot. You know we have to cut off the finger them.
Fingernails. Toenails, whatever you call it.
Whatever you call it. So we have to get them clean up. Lord God, I want that.
Start already.
I may take up, you know, guys.
Have to wash off. I mean,
Yeah. And guys, my chicken foot them have to well clean up.
guys, just say that again. You know, me have a feeling say every one of them are gonna drop.
Somebody wants some. Ricky, you can come take all that here, please. Pressure cooker. Take it off, please.
Alright guys, so we're going to do this to all of them.
Right.
Cut off the toenail, fingernail, and get it clean up. And then we deal with the chicken, so
Yeah.
watch how we do it.
If you're not the middle you're nasty like this
Nasty.
or messy, I just cut it out. Yeah, cut it out. Yeah. Chop them in a two. I don't like see one chicken foot in a pot, guys. Ola. Yeah, it's a turn off for me. Yeah, Afi, chop them in a two. Yeah. Cut off the two of them like this. Or a finger. Yeah, look, Bella. You got to learn how to cook like mommy, okay?
But when I get bigger, then I go to one store so they can tell me how to do it.
Oh, you hear that guy? She could go to one store.
Really? No, you're gonna learn how to cook from mommy. Okay? Alright, check in back, people. So watch them here off camera. Me just go peel it off now. And then, as I mentioned, you can start with the chopping up.
Alright guys. Here again. Check out this one. I will feed these fish over for 2 days now. So I'm gonna give them like a food, you know, you see me? Yeah man, we have to keep them going, you know. They're here for recreation. That is it? Yeah, we're not gonna eat these ones. Well, the time get hard. Alright, so give them some food, you know. You don't want much because there's not a lot in this little pan here. See them, Gabby? Soon start eat. Alright. Stick and stay. Alright guys, so we have a pigtail here. Yeah man, you know you can't boil soup and have a piece of pig in it for your tail. Yeah, some people who put all the rope to show them love pigs, you understand? Yeah man, I would have do that. But see we have a tail, yeah? So we're gonna get them wash off. We get out the salt because you know pigtail have a salt. You understand? So stick and stay and see what I go on. So we plan to do a video with all meat. Just check out that one there a little more. All meat soup, Kim, also. The soup there got strong, Marvin. I got love that one there. Yeah man, a pure complain, him a complain man. Say me a cook a bush and not give none. So I'll get with pigtail, wash off a bit and put him on the fire and get him going.
That is it, people.
Yeah man.
So the pumpkin coming on. I'm going to cut them up now. Peel it off already. So this is authentic Jamaican soup. Nothing beat Jamaican soup. What you guys say?
Best cook in Jamaica.
So I get in some more water.
Just wash it off. Yeah.
Yeah. Wash off here again. Throw the water there.
Right.
I guess the gungo finish and we have meat cut up, washed, clean. Alright, that is it, people.
Ready again?
We will just put this on the fire now.
Alright. Check it out guys.
So we are boil off the excess. Boil out the excess salt, guys.
Alright guys, and trust me, I know bossy we bossy, you know, but we just clean. You understand? In the future.
Yeah, you know, so I'm not highly fat.
No man, you
I'm
have
used to it.
I want go man.
Bush cooking, so you know where I figure, put them I figure black up. So we just have to go score them. Alright? So guys, we're going to put the vegetable them in the pot. So here I have my cut up pumpkin and garlic with some pimento. So we're going to put it in the pot.
Alright people, so I have the carrot and the potato that I'm going to put in the pot.
Irish potato, that is. Alright, throw it in the pot. Alright guys, so here I have my ginger peel. So we just going to beat it. Let it beat. So we're going to put this in the pot now. Come with me. Flavor. That is all flavor. Alright, it was boiling, but should we put the vegetable in? It stopped boiling, so soon start boil up back. Alright guys, so we're going to get with gungo in the pot this time. That's a bubble up, look at that.
You did that show?
Clean and dry. More about that. Alright, so see how it is looking with the pumpkin, carrot, Irish potato, pimento seed, garlic and ginger. Yes, and the gungo. So we're gonna let that boil up real good, people. Let it boil up real good. Then we put in our like
Pigtail.
pigtail over there, so I cook. Yeah, boil out the salt, and then we're gonna put in the pigtail. Are going kind of last with the chicken. Yeah, and we're gonna put in the chicken foot to make it boil up. So we still put in the chicken foot. Got a bubble up. Yeah, we're gonna go soup. Alright. So we'll go over there so now, Brittany, to throw off that water from the pigtail. Yeah, as I said before, guys, we want to boil out the excess salt. Alright, so we'll throw off the water. I'll throw some more water on this. Check in for the pigtail out and pretty. We'll throw some more water now, guys, different water. Alright, so we're gonna make that boil up again. Throw off this water here. Probably boil it off around 2 more times. Yeah. You know me and the salt no agree, people. Me and the salt no agree. Stick and stay.
We get the one here right.
Isabella cheat.
No, we not cheat.
You cheat, Isabella.
No.
10.
Get this. 10.
Yes, I count 5 first and 5 again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. You see, she a cheat?
No, me not cheat. Me not know
Yeah,
if me right.
cheat.
Me not know if me right.
Ah,
I just said 5 and 5.
alright. My turn to shine.
Yes,
now.
people, yes, daddy killed me already.
Alright.
Don't kill me again. Only 2 persons come. No, only 3 persons did here.
Huh?
Only 3 persons did here. You're
So
gonna
this is a
catch
lock.
me. You're
Right?
gonna catch
And
me.
1, 2. Good.
Oh, don't
Throw.
catch me, people.
Throw Isabella. So pat. Stop sitting nice.
So yeah, blazing the people. So we get to cocoa. Dash in, peel, guys. And we don't want a whole heap of food in the soup, guys.
Yeah, move all of them. Move 1 or 2.
And find a little piece of cocoa here in the alien kitchen. So yeah, 1 piece of cocoa in the pot. Alright, so we're gonna just get them wash up, then we cut them up. Peel a little piece of yam too.
Oh. One, two, three, four, five. He's got the top.
God, you know, good. Hmm? No good at all. Alright guys, most of yam spoil. Alright guys, don't forget to get our meat, chicken foot and the chicken. Fire burn out my eye. And chicken neck. Chicken foot, chicken and chicken neck. Alright. That is it. Stick and stay. Pani soup now. Look at all that goodness, people. That's what I'm talking about. See that? Yeah. This is how we do it out here, guys. Yeah. We have to run for this to move. Check in on the pot. We're going to put in the dumpling them now. Now, look at that color with the pumpkin I give. Y'all can see that? Rich pumpkin that. So we're getting with dumpling them now. This is some caramel dumpling, people. I never know see the actual color of the pumpkin. Oh my God, look at that. Elaine, you want to see the color of the pumpkin, yeah? Pretty. Look at that, people. Chicken, the pigtail line, I put it in a people. Yeah, look at that. Get a bite.
6, 5, 11.
Alright. Get the pot cover up here now. Push up them fire stick here. Alright guys, so we are getting okra them cut up, showing our soup as well. So we are cut off the head of the okra, and guys, they already washed. Get the head off them cut up. Alright. Just like this, people. So this is what we have leaves. So we're going to throw this in the pot now. Check it out, camera girl.
Camera girl have a name, you know.
Check it out, Brittany. Get them in the pot. This is well rich. Don't move. This is what you call real rich. Real rich soup. See that? Ricky did a wonderful job on this new invention here. Yeah, check it out, guys. You know, when some people see the pot of soup here, you know, their mouth are going to run water, you know. But I'm sorry, we're not there. See, taste some of the soup. Stick and stay.
As we pressure the pigtail and boil out some more of the salt. I think them change the water like 3 times or so. So yeah, just a pressure it, get it well soft. So as soon as it going in the water, the soup, sorry, you know, the soup partially ready for done. Yeah, pretty moonshine, guys. Look at that. Yeah. Still out here, guys. Still out here. Night catch us. It's after 6 now. Tired. Yeah. Super bubbling. And out here kind of chilly too, guys. So, you know, warm soup, perfect. So we have the Ludi game going as well.
What a pretty moonlight, Gabby.
Yeah. Yeah.
A trace, you know. So you said you take 2.
Grandpa Derek and
Give me
Grandma
guys,
Ellie.
me not throw it.
Whoa!
Enjoying again.
So abrasive.
Enjoying again.
Yeah.
And I give her 2 6 love already.
Wow.
And on the verge of giving her next one.
Wait now. 6, 7, 8.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4 years for by those there.
So guys, comment in the comment section if you love Ludi or Ludo.
Very
Let us
much.
know.
Jamaican Lodi.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We love it.
When you don't have any more coins, you use stone, stick, anything you can find. As long as you find 4 of it.
Those is 3.
1, 2, 3. I will be coming going here. 5, 6, 7.
Is that the boogeyman? Bigfoot?
That's so scary.
Guys, out here really nice. And that's not even a full moon yet. Yep.
And you don't want to leave here, man. You don't want to go when you're down at the campsite. What you forget? You don't want to go
Thumbs
home
up,
when you're at
guys,
the
if you
campsite.
love this video.
Alright guys, stick and stay. We'll soon come back again.
Alright people, so here we have oregano mint here. As I said before, you can cook with it. Go in your meat and your soup and boil your tea. Alright, so we have a scallion, thyme and scotch-bonnet pepper. All wash and clean up. So we get them cut up now. We're going on with soup. And the pigtail cook already. I'm going to put it in the pot shortly. In the pot of soup. So, you cut up with scallion. And I'm going to beat it and throw in there like that. 1, all the flavor from the scallion to infuse in the soup. All right, boil out on everything.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4.
Boy, my knife they ever dull. My knife they ever dull. I just sharpen them so them. I ain't get that though.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Night come guys, night come and we hungry. Cut up with mint. Oregano mint.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So guys, remember stick and stay with us. Good content is coming like river.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Alright people, so the scallion with thyme and with pepper. So this is what I'm doing. So we're going to throw this in the soup pot right now. If you go along, mix it up because I don't want it to get lumpy. Get a little bit of water from my pipe.
Bella, take up the dice here. See how you put it.
Put it out nicely.
See here, son.
Careful, Bella. You don't ever smell this, people. So what can kill me though. Taste flavor in this, people. Alright, now, so we're going to put in our pigtail in the pot.
I'm ready to eat.
You're ready to eat?
Yeah.
Look at that, man. Pot full of flavor. Right? Hey guys, the fire well powerful enough. Alright, so we just want this to simmer down just a little bit.
1, 2, 3.
Then dinner ready. Alright, so you know me have to taste my pot. Look at that. Look at it. Rich. Martel, you're missing out, guy. I'm gonna taste it now. Delicious. One Smith World. Not two. Tastes real good. This no one nothing more. I wish you all could taste this, guys. Alright, so to my subscriber them, new and old, I'm gonna let you taste some. Alright, come. See some of that, guys. That is it. Stick or stay, people.
Potland family, friends, subscribers, Potland. Watch, look, you know, guys. Very simple. Watch out. And pot still a bubble. Come on. That diesel here. That is it. What? Pot hot. Cover hot. Look at that. Rich.
Just
Smell that. Food lovers, this is it. Saturday night soup. Bam, bam.
Bon appetit.
Alright.
Alright, guys, so I'm gonna share out the soup. Look at that, people. Yeah. I get to share out that now. Never in the pot cover. Yes? Alright.
Everybody ready?
Everybody ready for soup?
Yeah. You know it's a night soup, you know.
Look how early we start.
Look how early we start.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, man.
Put
one.
8.
Yeah, put in the water, boss. Soup water.
I use it.
Put there. So, we don't early, we're gonna start tonight yet.
Bring us back to our ancestral days. Ancestral days.
Alright, that is it. Alright. Take out this time with you.
Father, in the name of Jesus Christ, your darling Son, we just want to thank you again, Lord, for another privilege, Lord, to enjoy, oh God, such wonderful cooking out in the night here. So we just give everything to you now and we tell you thanks. In Christ's sake. Amen.
Amen. My God.
It's dinner time. Yes.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
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 Yes, why?
Maybe never want one next cup of soup and 2 dumplings.
Maybe.
Awesome.
This is
Why
it.
me tell you some nice food nice, you know?
Rich guys. Good food out here. Come and enjoy with the Smith World TV.
You say a little bit, Isabella get people
Yeah, man.
and she a farm sleep.
Wow, you can feel the warm soup go down.
Oh my God.
Your grandma, mommy.
Delicious. No, when you drink coffee pot of soup, you know some love soup, you know.
Crazy.
Crazy.
Crazy. That is not easy, you know.
Crazy.
Crazy.
Look at all these meats.
I'll get you
Yeah,
enough
dumpling,
meat
mommy.
over there.
Mommy want dumpling.
I know you don't think. Look at the fine.
Yes, man.
Brother living. Now.
Where's the brother living missing out?
Slow down the knife.
Dumpling nice him.
Okay. Thank you.
Brother living.
Caramel dumpling.
Now that tell him to call him for eat.
It is real.
Jesus. The ginger in it. Oh God.
My gosh.
And the oregano leaf.
And the pigtail.
And the big tail and the rope.
And eat chicken and eat foot and neck.
Well, you're Brittany, I say nothing, you must know. Work with it. You Brittany? Just come
Work,
on the
yeah,
roadside.
Come, Bella, come.
Mix up concrete and stuff. Right. This is it. I left a pigtail for last. You have to leave, guys, you have to leave the best for last.
Yeah, feel it, but
You have to cool out, look. Complain.
It's just come off a bubbling hot pot, you know.
Bella.
Hot man.
This should have full enough give me a joke.
You know what I'm sick and you go back in the pot. You're free. You don't know that.
Hear Marvin now with the calabash.
Wow, Grandma. You
Marvin,
don't
at
accident.
first what I gonna take
Take
top
care.
of the calabash, you know.
You need a bib.
Big jibbler.
Right, Jubila.
Bella, hold in grandma when you do. This is restaurant on the outskirts.
Oh God.
Nice. When by now?
Saturday soup on a cool Saturday night. Got that people night Katrina. You see how we start during the day? Moonshine and darkness. Hey, this is what the Smiths escape. The Smiths hideaway. Alright guys, so it was a pleasure sharing this video with you. I hope all y'all enjoyed it. And comment your favorite part. Was it the fresh picking of vegetables?
And meat.
Was it catching up the fire?
Yeah.
That is a new invention. Let us know in the comments and stay tuned for a lot more videos. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you to everyone who watched and will be watching in the future.
Right.
Yeah.
Bless up. Irish Jamaica.
Bless up. Peace.
Thumbs up. Alright.
Show down, Gabby.